Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I've got another one of the Masters of the Universe Origins figures, and with this figure I am rounding up the standard part of wave number 5. It's the final figure I need, and it is the second version of Evil Lyn that has been released. It is the Evil Lyn from the 200X Masters of the Universe line. So with Evil Lyn I've now got Skeletor, He-Man and now Evil Lyn. Quite interesting that they brought out the Evil Lyn figure before they brought out Skeletor and He-Man, but there is some strange decisions being made in this Origins line. Some of the figures that are being released before other ones. I suppose it's to get collectors like me to just buy them and get them in the collections. It does keep it interesting, I suppose, and obviously this line has got a long time to run. There is so many figures that as yet haven't been released, but it's all good fun for people like me. So we've got Evil Lyn out. Obviously we've got the old mini comic in the box. You can see the sort of artwork on the back of the box there. So you've got the Mori, the 200X version of Evil Lyn. You've got the comic book Triclops there. Now that's going to be one that I'm going to try and get. It was a Comic Con exclusive, that one. Then you've got Stinkor and Trapjaw. And I think Stinkor is coming in wave 6, so more on him at a later date. But let's get Evil Lyn out and have a closer look at her. So as I say, this figure is the last one needed to complete out wave number 5. So we shall get her out and have a close look at the figure. Of course, the old Evil Lyn staff comes with her. It is well packaged as per usual, so we shall dig this out of the packaging. Let's get that out, not mess about. So it is the usual sort of orb sort of staff, this time in a purple colour. You've got her orb at the top of the staff there. And then we'll have a look at Evil Lyn herself. So pretty much similar to the earlier figure, except this time she's got the much more greyish sort of skin tone instead of the yellow, and the blue and light blue armour has been turned into a purple and sort of violet colour. You can see the patterning across the armour and the patterning up and down the arms. Obviously on the headdress, that has been replaced by sort of black and purple design, obviously with the violet colouring aspects to it as well. So we'll pop the sort of staff in Evil Lyn's hand for the display. If I can get it in. It doesn't seem to want to go in. There you go. Evil Lyn with her staff, and we'll pop her on the display and see how she looks with the other figures. So join me over at the display and we'll have a look. So there you can see Evil Lyn added in with the rest of Series 5. Obviously we already have the Hordak, which is the deluxe figure of Series 5. And the last two sort of special edition figures is the Keldar and Cronus 2-pack, which is one I do need to sort of have a look at getting. But you can see Evil Lyn, Fisto, Faker and the Lords of Power Merman, which round out wave number 5. As we move up the collection, you can see the original Evil Lyn there. And as you can tell, it is just basically the same figure painted in different colour scheme. So instead of the yellow and the blues, you've got sort of pale skin tone and purples there. So quite a cheap figure for the designers to repackage. But if you're trying to be a completionist, as I am looking to be, you do need it. So with that, as I say, wave 5 is all complete apart from the 2-pack, so I'll be looking out for that. And as you can see, the shelves are filling up quite nicely. We have had a little bit of a move around. I realised that Clamp Champ and Ram Man were the deluxe figures for actually Wave 4, so I've actually moved them into the right positions on the shelf. And then we've got a couple of spaces for the last two figures of the standard range of Wave 4 and the last two figures of the standard range of Wave 3 on the top section. So hopefully we can get them sooner rather than later and put this top section to bed, so to speak. But really pleased with Evil Lyn, and I'll leave you with this last look at her in the collection before we go close out this video. So guys, there you have it, Wave 5 complete, and another figure ticked off. So Evil Lyn 200X into the collection. Got to say, not going to be my favourite figure of the whole range, but as I say, when you're trying to complete it, you do need to pick them up when you get the chance. And as I say, adding that Evil Lyn into the collection does finish off wave number 5 on the back of this card. So there you can see him again, just for one last look, the old wave. But let me know in the comments what you think's the figure. As I say, quite a strange figure to have been released before the He-Man and Skeletor 200X, but I'm sure Mattel know what they're doing. Otherwise, if you haven't previously, please subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate every single one of you who does take the time to do so. Otherwise, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.